What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Whitestone Dome Premium Gen Film Protector for the inside display of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now I do have to say before we get started, I would not recommend replacing the existing Samsung factory installed screen protector. This is specifically for if you were to damage or if there's some kind of issue with that screen protector. This would be a replacement screen protector. You will not damage your warranty in any way by removing the factory installed protector. So that's just another thing that I wanted to get out of the way. Also, if you weren't able to take advantage of the pre-order deals on the Z Fold 4 and you're still looking to order this phone, you can get an additional $150 in Samsung credits plus a $900 enhanced trade-in plus a $300 trade-in guarantee when you use my link to order your Galaxy Z Fold 4. Let's go ahead and get started. This video was sponsored by Petlibro. Do you worry about your pet while you're away? The Petlibro Granary takes care of your pet while you're at work or even out for the evening. With the Granary camera monitoring feeder, you can schedule 10 meals per day so your pet gets the nutrition they need. As a bonus, the Petlibro also features a built-in 1080p camera system so you can keep an eye on your pet. The camera system features a 145-degree field of view so you can see your pet up close or while playing further away. With night vision, you get a clear view of your pet's nighttime eating habits. With the included TF card storage, you won't have to pay a monthly cloud storage fee. As soon as your pet activates the motion detection, their activity is recorded, which you can view later through the app. Two-way communication allows you to interact with your pet and see and hear their reactions to your voice.
Hey, it's time to eat. Oh, you look so cute today.
The quadruple seal system keeps your pet's food fresh, while the infrared safety system keeps your pet safe by stopping the dispenser if it detects paws blocking the way. The Petlibro is very easy to set up and even works with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. The Petlibro Lite app allows you to plan meal portions and feeding times anywhere your phone has an internet connection. You can even use the app to enable or disable the camera for security purposes. For nutritional reasons, you can also add food manually to the bowl to get a well-balanced diet. Overall, the Petlibro Granary monitoring and automatic feeder is a great way to keep your pet company and well-nourished while you're away. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can pick yours up today. First up, let's go ahead and get this out of the box and see what all it comes with. The reason why they're going with the film protectors instead of the glass protectors, there were some issues with the glass protectors that Whitestone Dome put out last year on the Fold 3, particularly if you went to remove the screen protectors, they shattered into a million little pieces and it just became like glass dust everywhere. So that was kind of an issue. It happened to me. And then also it adhered to the screen so well, it would actually lift the screen and it could potentially cause damage. So they've gotten away from the glass screen protectors on the Fold 4. We have just these film protectors, which is really all you need for the inside display here. Of course, it does include the front display protector and also a hinge protector as well. We're not going to focus on that today. Today we're going to be focused on the inside screen protector. So you've got the protector there, and then we have our installation jig right here. One thing that I like that they included here, they've got this little device to keep this from sliding around, so I like that. We have a few little pieces here. We've got a squeegee. This is another part of the installation process here, like so. So that's going to help us to get this adhered. And then you have all of your cleaning supplies for cleaning that inside display. And then you have your installation guide, which you're not really going to need this because that's what this video is for. This is for removing the screen protector. So you can remove this screen protector or you can remove the one that's already on the phone. So I would actually recommend to go ahead and turn the phone off. That way you're not distracted when you're trying to clean it. You can see the screen better whenever you're cleaning and getting rid of all of the dust and debris. Next up, you're going to lift the included screen protector with this little blue remover. All right, so we're just going to kind of slide that under there until we can get a grip on it. Okay, once you can kind of grip it with your fingers, you should be able to just kind of pull it back and then just kind of slide it off and remove it that way. Okay, next up we're going to hit it with the alcohol swab, making sure that we get all the adhesive from the previous screen protector removed from the screen. So hit it up with that alcohol swab and rub it in there really good, making sure to get up all previous adhesive from the old screen protector. All right, next up you're going to hit it with the cloth and get it all nice and dry. Next up, you'll use this dust sticker to pick up any dust that may be left behind. If you do happen to leave any dust, that's going to cause air bubbles between the screen protector and the screen. Now that we have the phone cleaned off, we're going to go ahead and set up the jig. Go ahead and remove the adhesive here and stick down your stopper. All right, that's just going to keep that from moving. Put this little piece in the top of the jig. All right. Now you should go ahead and find the camera, and the camera goes right there in that little hole. Okay, and if you wanted to, you could shine the flashlight again and just make sure that all the dust has been removed. Okay, so with the film, you're going to take the top and flip it over, and then you're going to peel this one back. That's going to expose the adhesive on the film, so be careful not to touch the film. All right, and then flip it over and go ahead and connect it on the tabs on the top and the bottom. All right, next up we're just going to squeegee this. All right, so just kind of use the jig to squeegee this all in place. Okay, so once we've reached the edge there, we'll remove this top and then just continue hitting that with the squeegee. All right, kind of go back the other way. All right, we'll go back the other way here. You can remove the bottom part now. And make sure you try to get as many of these bubbles out as possible. They will remove themselves over time as well. All right, but if you're seeing any, go ahead and take care of them now while you can. All right, and then we're just going to lift this off. We should have a perfect installation. And with that screen protector on, the display still looks amazing, still super bright, colorful, and I can't even tell it's there. This actually feels smoother than the screen protector that came with it. I actually love the way this feels. I'm going to go ahead and see how this works with the S Pen. So this should still work fine with the S Pen. Okay. Looks like it works. All right, so that still works great with the S Pen. The screen, the display looks incredible with this screen protector installed. We get plenty of protection for the display, and it feels nice and silky smooth as well. So definitely an A+ for this Whitestone Dome Premium Gem film. If you're needing to replace the stock screen protector, that's definitely the one that I would recommend. Also, big shout outs to Mobile Fun for sending these out for me to cover here on the channel. I'll be sure to include a link in the description of where you can pick up these film protectors from them. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.